Hi everybody, David here, and in this video I want to show you how you can make objects appear to float in your photographs. There are several ways we can do it. We can simply take the object, throw it in the air, and take several pictures of it. But that presents a problem. We took a ton of pictures and only one of them will be good. Another way to go about it is hanging up the subject on a string, shooting it, and then removing the string from the photo in Zoner Photo Studio X. And this is what we are going to do today. We'll need some string, tape, scissors, and something that we will want to levitate. Then cut the right length of string, attach it to the object by using the tape, and finally take a picture of it. After that, we will continue in Zoner Photo Studio X, where we'll remove the string from the picture. After we select and open the picture in Zoner Photo Studio X, we'll open the Develop module. Here we'll want to remove the string to make it look as if the card is levitating in the air. Also, I want to remove this lamp because it's distracting us from the main subject of the photo, the card. First, we'll choose a retouching tool. There are a few of them. I'm going to use the Retouching Brush, which you can find here next to this little sprocket. Okay, first I'll try to select a little part of the string here and just see what happens. I have no idea how we did it, but I like it a lot. Here's a little imperfection, but that's my mistake. So what I need to do is reduce the size of the brush by holding Shift and scrolling the mouse roller to remove it. So now I'll try to remove this lamp. The retouching brush automatically chooses the most common color in the picture and replaces it over the object that we want to retouch. But you can choose that manually by holding Ctrl and clicking on a part of the photo that we want the brush to source from, like this. Now I'll click on the part of the lamp which I want to remove. That looks great. I'll just continue this way. Done. And that's it. Confirm your brush edits by hitting Enter. I won't be retouching this part of the picture because I'm going to crop it anyway. So let's do that now. Click on the crop tool and select the part of the photo you want to keep. The last thing I want to do is apply some preset. I already have some prepared. This one will be good, I think. Done. I'm happy with the result. Now the card is beautifully floating in the air. I want to mention some of the settings of the retouching brush. You can also change the opacity of it. When you want to remove something like a skin blemish, set it on 100%. But when you want to soften something like wrinkles, set it down a little bit. We can also change the blurriness of the brush. That means that if you increase it, the edges of the brush will be much smoother at the transition. That's it. I hope you liked this video. And if you are watching this video in these crazy times when everyone is in quarantine and practicing social distancing, try making some float in your pictures, or take the time to play around and edit something in Zoner Photo Studio X. Take care and see you soon. Bye.